Hi, welcome to Tricia's Makeup World. If you're new to the channel, hi, I'm Tricia. I absolutely love playing around with colourful makeup. And this is Pep. It's going to be go down on the floor so I can do my makeup. Yeah. I thought today that we would revisit the Fresh Prince of Bel-Air palette. I thought I could maybe create a green look with the palette. Cosmic Brushes' new palette comes out today at 6 o'clock. I think that's more sort of a green leaning palette. There is some sort of neutral colours in there. It's called Undergrowth. That goes live at 6 o'clock tonight. I will do a video with that when it comes. But anyway, I just thought I'd jump on and do a quick look with this. And I'm just going to take a fluffy brush. I think we'll probably go for more of a smoky look. And I think we'll start off with this green shade here, which is called Lucky Charm. And I'm just going to tap it in and work it round like so. I've already got my base face on. I'm still using the Revolution Skin Silk. I really like that foundation. And underneath I am still using the Hemish Artless Glow. Is that what it's called? It's like a primer. It goes on kind of pearlescent and gives you like a sort of a dewy finish, I would say, to it. It's very nice. I'm going to go for more of a smoky. And then I think we'll go into this one here, and that is called Love at First Sight. Yeah, I'm just going to get ready for all the more sort of autumn palettes, and your, well, Halloween's going to be next, where Halloween releases. I mean, we've already got NYX that have got a Beetlejuice collab. I know it's the P. Louise, they've collabed with Mean Girls as well. They're doing a burn book calendar, like a mini calendar. So obviously they've got their big, is it a train? The huge one. I've never ever indulged in our calendars. I'm one of these people. I like to know what I'm getting. It's the same with like sort of our mystery boxes. I only bought that, I think, the one time round. It was at Halloween. Was it last year? Because she was putting the spellbook palettes in, and I wasn't really fussed as to which one I got, so I got it, sort of thing. But yeah, I'm one of these people. I do like to know the products that I'm getting, so I've never really bothered with a calendar, but I am quite intrigued by. I'm now going to take a bit of fluffy brush just to try and blend those shades out a bit better. Do the same on the other side. And then I think what we'll do is that darker green, we'll run that under here, and we'll do the same at the other side. And then the lighter green shade, I'm going to put that more in like so. Yeah, I think we're probably going to start obviously seeing more Halloween releases, and some more sort of I can't say that word, autumnal. I'm just going to say autumn. Autumn palettes, because yeah, it's too much of a mouthful for me. See, it's like in general, all the shops are getting all the sort of autumn / Halloween like stock in them. Seems to get earlier and earlier every year. I mean, that was what I started seeing stuff, what, a few weeks ago, when we were still in August, still technically summer, and then bringing out their autumn and Halloween stuff. It's like, yeah, I'm not ready yet. Next, I think we might actually go into this one and this one of the Shimmers. And they are called, you see, Big Banks is the sort of light pink one, and then Prince is the purple one. And I think I might actually get a bit of fixing spray here. Yeah, I'm pretty sure Glamlite, I wouldn't be surprised, will have more. They usually always theme on some film. If it's not Jason or Nightmare on Elm Street or Chucky, there's always something, isn't there? I don't know what it is this year. I think I know that she did like a new Chucky collection, didn't she? The Glamlite, which I thought was a bit random. It was like during the summer, and I'm like, it's not Halloween yet. Maybe it's just me. Flip my brush over and we'll go into that purple shade. I might put a wee bit of green at the end, just so that it blends into that green. I'm just going to clean that brush off. And yeah, we will go into the green, and that's called Hex. I think I might take my finger into that pink just to just into the corner. Sometimes I think, you know, yeah, if you want it a bit more intense, use your finger. Ideally I'd like to use a brush, but sometimes, yeah, using your finger, you get a little bit more payoff. I think I might do that actually with all of them, go work my way along. I'm just going to try, I just want to make sure it's not like lines that are all sort of blending into each other. Yeah, that's quite nice like that, I like that. Maybe just a little bit more of that in the corner. That's fine. But yeah, no, she usually does really good Halloween collections, Glamlite, so we'll see. I mean, last year I got, what's the person? Ghostface, that was it. From Scream. I got her palette and I got the, it's like a lip sticking pencil sort of set. I'm presuming she's going to have, I'm not quite sure what the releases are. Next I'm just going to take my Eloise, one that looks like a flower, and just a little bit blush on it. My brows are just always as usual, my general tutorial palette. And then for highlight, I'm going to use, it's a new favourite, it's from Odin's Eye, their new Solmain 2 collection. I really, really like it a lot, this one. On the cheeks. Like so. I have to start looking at my more sort of autumn, I'm still in summer, I'm still in summer mode. I refuse to go into my colder clothes, I'm not ready for that yet. Say colder, I mean warmer clothes. Right, and the lipstick, it's two Jolie Beauty ones that I have on, and it is Ember and Sweetheart that I have on. I am affiliated with Jolie Beauty, and I will put links to her page and things in the description box. I'm next going to take my Lash Princess mascara from Essence, just to give my lashes a bit of length. We will be putting false eyelashes on. And then for my lashes, I'm just going to go into my P. Louise Pro, and I'm going to use these ones here that have already been pre-cut. I'm going to just take my Duo Lash Glue. If you haven't saw my previous video, if you watch that, you will get swatches of the palette in there. figure out which side's which here. Right. This is for this. Talking to myself, trying to figure out which eye is which here. Do be getting some new lashes actually. I really enjoyed Attitude Cosmetics lashes. I might actually have to try some more of them. And I watched, who was it I watched, and they said they did lashes. Cosmic Brushes did lashes. I think it was maybe Kerry K. I might have to give their lashes a go, but I think you can only buy them from what I could see on the TikTok shop. So I might have to do that. I might have to give them a go. I'm really particular about my lashes. I don't like them to have, oh, totally missed my eye there. I don't like them to have like a thick band. They need to have quite a thin band. I find if they're quite thick, they can be quite scratchy on your eye, and I don't like that. I don't like that feeling at all. There we go. This was just a quick look using the Fresh Prince of Bel-Air palette again. I really like Glamlite's formula. I think it's like a more smaller version of the Rick and Morty palette that they did do. It's a colourful palette. The shimmers are very pretty, and the mattes blend really well. To me it's their usual formula. It's good. I will be back again to do a 2-look video with the Cosmic Brushes palette when I receive that. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. If you've liked the video, give it a like and leave a comment telling me, you know, if you like this look or if you just want to say hi. Anyway, I'll be back again very soon. Bye!